Alright guys, in this video I'm going to be walking you through the wedding website builder. So when you're on your home screen, click on over to website. So this is going to be your site builder. So what you see on screen right now is a live preview of the site you've created so far. So as you can see, there's a bit of information that's already been added in there for you, but this is just some demo data to give you an idea of how you might format and create your website. So you can always just click on any one of these sections when you're hovering over it, which means that you're editing it. So if you click, you'll get this panel that pops up allowing you to edit that particular section, and of course you can also delete it as well. So I'm just going to walk you through the different action items that we have up at the top. So starting with template, this is where you can actually choose the design that you want to use for your wedding website. So right now we've got this one selected, but let's say that I want to use this collection. So I'm going to customize this, I'm going to choose this template. And now we're taken to customize the site. So for every single one of the templates in WEDSITES, we usually do have a couple different variations that you can choose from. So let's say that I wasn't too set on this floral pattern and I wanted to choose this eucalyptus leaf. I can click that design and I can also change the text color if I want to. So this is going to be really ugly, but I can change it to be red or something, or I can make it a bit of a grayer color. And if we save changes, that's really hard to see, but you'll notice that it's a little bit fainter color. So you can customize further by clicking this customize option here. So down at the bottom, you can add the text color, change the accent color, change the background color. And if you are a techie, you can also add your custom CSS right here by enabling this box. Now, moving over to the header option. So this is where you're editing this top part of your website. So you could upload your own header image, which could be a cute photo of you two. Maybe you've put together some sort of collage that you want to put. You could add that right there. And if you are into your own kind of custom calligraphy or lettering, maybe you've commissioned someone to write your names for you, or you have your own logo that you've created, you can, rather than just having this Hannah and Caleb section right here, you can replace that with your custom calligraphy. So it's something to just make your website a little bit more personal. And for this section, if you wanted to write your full names, for example, you could do that as well. So our wedding date has been decided, so I'm just going to leave that as is. This information has been pulled from our basic details, which you'll find under the home section of your dashboard. And so let's say that we want to have an RSVP deadline 2 months out from our wedding date. So we're going to go ahead and let's see, I'll count back. So 2, 3, 4, let's say 4 weeks out. So we want to make it November 14th is the RSVP deadline. Display RSVP link in menu means that we can have a RSVP button up in the menu section of our website. And display RSVP button below the header means this button right here. So if we did turn that off, that would disappear, but we're going to leave that on for now. So save changes. And now when you do a little bit of a scroll, now you'll see that we've got an RSVP button with our RSVP deadline smack center and clear, so no one can really miss it. And moving on to this add section button here. So these are the different types of sections that we can use to customize our website. So in another video, I'll walk through each one of these sections and what exactly they are, but quickly, maybe I could just show you how what it looks like. So this is our header. This is a simple block of text. So this is a paragraph section. This is a section header. This is another paragraph, and we'll scroll down. So now here is the wedding party section, which is this section right here. So as you can see, it's their role, their name, and a little brief introduction of them. We can also add a photo as well. If you've got a cute photo of one of your bridesmaids, you can add them in here. Scrolling a bit further, this is the schedule. So in a timeline format, we've got this line here where you can give your guests a little bit of insight into the day, how the day is going to run. And for some people, you might have a multi-day wedding. So you could add events leading up to the wedding as well, just to give your guests a little bit of heads up on how they can best prepare for your wedding day. This section down here is the place section where you can, scrolling up again, where you can add some information. So this is particularly useful if you have people coming from overseas or from out of town. A lot of the times they're not going to know what to do while they're in town, and you're going to be busy, getting married. So you can't really exactly play travel guide. So this is the perfect place for you to add all the information for them, for like transportation options, where to stay, if you have any recommendations for restaurants or cafes or activities to do while they're in town. This is the perfect way to share that information with them. And then scrolling down to the very bottom, we've got the registry section where you can add links to your online registries. So like this, for example, we've got a registry for Myer, which is a retail store here in Australia. We've got David Jones as well. So by doing that, you can just add a link to your registry, and when your guests click through, they'll be taken to your online registry where they'll be able to purchase gifts for you. And if you want to view your site, not from this live preview, but if you want to view it as a guest would, just click on that button and another tab will open up in your browser to show you what your website would look like from a guest perspective.